Hello everyone, welcome to Candy's Travel English. Today let me bring you to Nejangsan. Enjoy your watching. 안녕하세요 여러분. 캔디 여행 영어 환영합니다. 오늘은 내장산으로 갑시다. People are going there here in this place. People are walking, and at the opposite side there is the bus. People are queuing to take the bus, going to different places around here in Korea, different places. You can take the bus to come here, and in this side, there are many local restaurants here. In this side, you can eat here bibimbap, mushroom tunggol, and there are a lot to eat here in this place. So this I'm still on my way going there, but people are going home already. Yeah. Here. And few meters away, you can reach the entrance of the national park. If you come here, there is a place where you can stay for a night. There is hotel, Sherville Hotel. And there is volunteer center, volunteers center. Here is the last parking lot, but the parking is full, so I think tama si Tita Sil, pagdating dito mag-u-turn na lang ako kasi puno na. Oh my God, mabuti nag-park ako doon at maglakad pa rin hanggang doon. Very beautiful colors. On the opposite side, nandun maraming kainan din at mga bilihan. Tapos dito sa baba may trekking. Pwede diyan maglakad ng nakapaa. Ito na, parating na tayo sa papasok sa entrance. And we have to undergo sanitation. Sanitize. Because of corona. Yan, i-sprayhan tayo dito.
선생님 드시는 거 드시고 마스크 끼고 들어가시게요.
Ayan. We have to pass this one. Oh. Yeah. 수독해요. 수독. Another mist. Unsa kungwan. Sanitize na tayo dito. Naku. Ayan, i-check. Before entering here, they are checking our body temperature. We cannot enter without checking the body temperature and sanitize. And we must wear a mask. Wearing a mask is a must. Dito ang mga tao dito lang talaga pwede maglakad dito sa tabi. Di pwede. Bawal maglakad dito. Sa gitna ng kalsada. Kahit walang sasakyan. Dito lang sa tabi. So we are now here at the entrance. Ayan. Pwede na pumasok. Dito ang entrance. Here, if you are Chongob citizen, your entrance fee is free. But you have to show your ID. The entrance fee is 3,000 won. Inside there is the shuttle bus. You can take the shuttle bus inside. And you'll pay 1,000 won. One way dito daw, hindi pwede doon. Talagang yung pauwi na doon sila sa kabila. Yung papasok pa lang dito. So here, look at the different colors of the trees. These trees, we don't have this in the Philippines. Okay. These are maple trees. Look at these falling leaves. falling leaves of the trees. People there are going home already. Pauwi na sila. At marami pa ring papasok. Wow. Bawal magpa-picture pero may nagpa-picture doon sa gitna. Bawal pumasok sa gitna. Pero ako rin gusto. We're almost here inside the Nijangsan, and supposedly today is our outdoor class with my English class, but because of Corona we cannot meet all my learners. So in behalf of my class, I'm just having our outdoor class alone, and because every autumn, this season, we're going to go outside to have our outdoor class, but because of Corona we cannot meet our class face to face. So I just scheduled today for our outdoor class. Just see this video for our outdoor class. So so we are here now inside the Nijangsan. And I cannot let the this season pass every year without coming here in Nijangsan. Every year I come here with my class learners and also with my other foreign friends, especially my Filipino friends who are here for a short period of time. I bring them here to see this wonderful place in this time of autumn. Here is Changgunbong Trail, Changgunbong Tambang Road. So this going up is you can go really for a trail for hiking, but you must wear inside a face mask and 2 meters social distancing. So this is Oajong Pavilion. Oajong Pavilion, which is according to local legend sprouted wings and ascended to heaven. Is a major attraction of Nizangsa National Park, and it is erected in the middle of a clear pond. Ohwajong Pavilion is well known for its picturesque autumnal scenery in harmony with red maple trees, attracting numerous tourists who want to take photos in this beautiful view every year. The current pavilion is one rebuilt in 2016 as a traditional style of Hanok traditional Korean traditional Korean style house, as it was widely said that the previous pavilion built in 1965 had become shabby and no longer harmonized with the surroundings of the scenery. So as you can see, this pavilion, you can see in some photos is in a Jangsan postcard, and yes, so this name is Ohwajong Pavilion. So inside here are some stores that you can have some coffee or some snacks if you're hungry, and here also there are some Korean food. There's also some ice cream and waffle here. You can see all the people are wearing their masks. People are good followers, because if they will not follow the rules inside the park, they will be fined 2 million won. So we have just followed the rules. When you enter this park, must wear a mask, and don't put off your mask while you are inside. There are some shuttle bus going in and going out.
남자 여기 와 있는데.
So for those who do not know yet about Nejiangsan, Nejiangsan is a mountain. And the name of the place is Nejiangsan. And Nejiangsan is a famous mountain in Jeollabuk-do province, and this is in the city of Cheongap, inside the city of Cheongap, and this is the best mountain. I think for me this is the most meet yet. So I am just touring you for today because I don't want to I don't want to pass this season without coming in this place, in this beautiful place. It's really amazing place that I don't want to let this season just pass by without coming here in this place. So for those who are not yet coming here in this place, I hope you can come here and enjoy this beautiful place of Nejiangsan. Okay. So this is Nejiangsa Temple. After few minutes of walking from the entrance and until here we are arrived in this place. So this this is one of the oldest temple in Korea. That was built in the year 636 after death of Christ. But it was rebuilt many times. It was burned during Korean War, and it was rebuilt in 1958. And in May, if you can come here in May, Buddha's birthday in May, there are many lanterns, wishing lanterns you can see in this area, and people are coming here to wish, to worship the golden Buddha. Okay. If you have some wish, come people are wishing for something. So this is Naejangsa Temple. So that ends of our outdoor class today. I hope next time we can come here together with our class members. I hope next year we can come here, all our class members. That's all for today, and see you in our next class video. Bye bye.